Why Kolkata Made Harmonium play a vital role comparing to others, and why everybody, be it music director, singer, everybody prefers to purchase Kolkata Harmonium, from starting from Lata ji, Rafi ji, from R.D. Burman to up to Sonu Nigam. Everybody used to purchase Kolkata Made Harmonium. There must be some reason, and in my thumbnail you could have checked, I have written that in Indian music industry or in Asian music industry, Kolkata Made Harmonium play a vital role. Why? In my previous blogs, musical blogs, I have taken you to the many shops of Kolkata. Even I have taken you to the manufacturer house where you saw the tuning, repairing, and how making is done. And you did check the harmonium pricing from 5,000 up to 1 lakh. So there must be some reason why everybody is preferring Kolkata Harmonium. Is it best for the singers? सुबह का रियाज पर क्या ये सही है? और सस्ते दाम पर ये बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी का हारमोनियम मिलता है. Definitely only I will give you all the answers. So even I have purchased a new 3-line scale changer harmonium from there, which I will take it, I will review it, I will unbox it, and I will give you the answer what is the best harmonium for the singers, whether it is supposed to purchase from the manufacturer house, how many bellows are supposed to be there. So for this, what you need to do, you are supposed to tune till the end of the video. So let me take you straight to the harmonium. Okay, let me just fix the mobile to the tripod. Okay, so now I'll unbox the new harmonium what I have purchased from the manufacturer house. And one disclaimer I just want to give you, just purchase harmonium straight from the manufacturer house, or if you want to purchase Kolkata Made Harmonium, straight contact with the a dealer or the wholesaler, which I will give you. And in fact you could have got all those things, all those numbers from my instrument marketing manufacturing blog, which I have posted in my video, which I have posted. So if you want to take it, you could take, or you could have WhatsApp me if you need those number. I would prefer to purchase from the seller, from the wholesaler house, rather than purchasing from Amazon or Flipkart. So now let me take you to my new harmonium, which I will unbox, review, and finally I will say why industry standard harmonium only made in Kolkata. So why everyone is preferring Kolkata Made Harmonium, and why you guys also prefer Kolkata Made Harmonium. Okay, let me just unbox and review the harmonium first, then I will give all the answers of your question. I know what sort of questions you are bearing with right now, so just hold on for a moment. Well, it is covered with a bag which I have got from the wholesaler house. This is the bag. Now this is my newly made harmonium. It looks great. You have already seen it in the thumbnail. Now let me unbox it. Wow, there it is. Very good. Wow. So this is the harmonium. Look at the build. Its quality is fantastic. It's a 7 bellow, 9 stoppers, among which 4 are tones. So now I will play it. Just let me check the sound. Okay. Wow, so the sound is so melodic. Now before purchasing any harmonium, you are supposed to check the holding notes of a chord, because the holding notes perfectly addresses the quality of a harmonium. How long it holds, that means its quality is up to that mark. Okay, so I am playing a C major chord. Look at the sustainability. C major chord. Then D minor, so melodic sound. Then E major, then F major, very melodic sound, then G major, then A minor, then B diminished, then C major. Basically I played the Indian Vilaval third, under which these chords came in. Basically I did play C major scale. So now I will play a single note and look at the sustainability of the note. Wow, it is sustaining for long time. It is not even being finished. It is going on. It's great. Now let me say the made. This is the Kolkata based new 3-liner scale changer harmonium. It peaks contains 3 octaves. It's a bass male female. Basically my voice is bit heavy, so that's what I did prefer bass male female. And you could have checked it's a finished liqueur product, and it is tuned on 440 Hz. You have already seen, and it is contains 3 octaves from C to C. If you go, you will have chance to see 3 octaves. Its price is 30,000 and weight is 18 kg, and the material is made of Indian segun teak wood. Indian segun teak wood. Now wood plays a vital role in choosing the harmonium. How you will choose it's a local wood or Indian segun teak wood, that I am coming shortly. And you could have checked the German celluloid work. Let me show you. The German celluloid work has been done properly here. You could have seen the German celluloid, and you could have seen the Italian nylon. This is the Italian nylon has been used. That's what this is very soft and it sounds melodic. The handles are heavy and easy to carry. You have already seen the handle. So the wood, as I said, it's made of Barmatic wood. So how would you understand whether it is Barmatic wood or local wood? There is only one way to make you understand that whether local wood has been used or Barmatic wood has been used. So let me check it. Let me show you a view of a cabinet. So in the cabinet, if these portions color of this portion is bit whitish, that means local wood has been used, and the color of this wood portion is bit reddish, that means Indian segun teak wood has been used. And the main thing what makes Kolkata harmonium differs from the other states harmonium, that is the flute of this harmonium. The flute has been used as Rathilal, jivanlal, mistry, Samrat, harp, reed. And how do you understand the flute? The company name will be written over here, and don't do anything with this portion, because that is very sensitive, and because of this flute the harmonium sounds so melodic to everybody. So that is the main thing that differs this harmonium supreme and makes this harmonium supreme and premium quality. So now we will go straight to the buying procedure, how to buy a harmonium. So how to buy a good harmonium? Those who are, who could use this harmonium? Those who are intermediate or professional must go to a registered seller who got best reputation on your city regarding selling the harmonium for years, and who gives the best possible harmonium for years, and who give the best possible price for the product. Like I do live in Kolkata, so I visited Pagrasi, Gitanjali, Dwarkin, and almost all the shops of the Lal Bazar in Kolkata. But I purchased it from a factory come some in Lal Bazar, because I find the harmonium genuine and it is properly tuned for me and got the best price. I will give definitely. I already given a lot of blog regarding the tuning, repairing, and the cleaning and all the procedures. What is maintained in a harmonium factory, and I have shown you. Hopefully you have checked my previous blogs, and those who are absolute beginner must watch this video, else talk to their teacher and directly go to the shop, check the harmonium is properly tuned or not. Better you are supposed to go with your Guruji. Check the single key sustain, what I have already shown you. Check the sustain time of the chords, what I have already shown you. Check the cobbler, the left side or not. It is very necessary to check the cobbler of a scale changer harmonium, whether it is positioned in the left side or not, and check the on off condition of the cobbler. Check the folding system of the harmonium, as because this is portable, so you are supposed to check the folding system. Check the sound of the all scale. It's not possible to give the sound quality of the all scale, so I have only shown you how does it sound in C major scale. If you buy, you will check it. And obviously check the wood quality of the harmonium, as I have shown you. If there is the reddish portion inside the cabinet, that means it is Barmatic wood. And you are supposed to go not for mirror polish, you are supposed to go for hand liquor polish of a harmonium. And one thing I must say, ask the document from the seller and make sure the warranty period. In Indian language, our motto should be सबसे अच्छा एंड सबसे सस्ता हारमोनियम मिलना चाहिए. हारमोनियम में क्या खूबियाँ होता है, हारमोनियम खरीदने से पहले क्या क्या जानकारी चाहिए, नया हारमोनियम खरीदने से पहले खरीदने के वक्त उसको चेक कैसे करें, हारमोनियम किस ब्रांड का और कैसे खरीदें, हारमोनियम खरीदने से पहले अपना संतुष्टि कैसे कीजिए, ज़रूर कीजिए. मैंने दिखा दिया आप लोगों को. न्यू हारमोनियम का अनबॉक्सिंग क्या देख के खरीदे, मैंने ऑलरेडी दिखा दिया आप लोगों को कि न्यू हारमोनियम का अनबॉक्सिंग क्या क्या देख के करना चाहिए और कैसे न्यू हारमोनियम को, अच्छे हारमोनियम को डिटेक्ट करना चाहिए. गलत हारमोनियम खरीदने से बचिए बिल्कुल. मैंने दिखा दिया सही हारमोनियम कैसे खरीदना चाहिए. हारमोनियम की सटीक जानकारी खरीदने से पहले ज़रूर जान लो, जो मैंने आज आप लोगों को दिया है. नाउ आई विल से यू अनदर थिंग. If you want to take online classes from our academy, you could have come. The registration is going on, because if you want to make yourself a big harmonium guru, so this is the best platform. So we will teach you learn harmonium step by step, because harmonium is the main instrument of classical music. Harmonium music plays a great role in Indian Bollywood music, Indian South music or Asian music. So you could have take this instrument as, regard this instrument and worship this instrument as Ma Saraswati. So now hopefully I have solved few questions of your mind, that which harmonium should I buy, हारमोनियम ट्यूनिंग कैसे करते हैं, हारमोनियम ट्यूनिंग कैसे करते हैं, that I have shown you in my previous blog. Harmonium price in Indian rupees 30,000. Copper scale changer harmonium price is 30. How to buy a good harmonium, what is the best harmonium for the singer, that I have already said and discussed. And the best harmonium buying techniques, that I have already shown you in the video. Sustainability of a single note, the quality of the wood, whether Italian Nylon is given or not, the flute of the harmonium, as I said, I have purchased Rathilal, jivanlal, mistry, Samrat, harp. So these are the things I have covered in this video, and I have given all the answers, and I have taken you to the previous blogs. So this is the main thing, this is the main way to purchase a harmonium. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, you could have directly WhatsApp me. And this was the video what was mainly based for the kids, for the pro, and for those who wants to purchase the right thing by expensing a lot. So don't miss. If you need any help, I am open to help you. So this is it. Bye.